Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a new space to your user account in the Shift browser. So let us dive into this. So launch the Shift browser on your device, be it on your desktop computer or laptop. And then guys, you will see the list of your user spaces here on the left hand side. So if you don't see it guys, you may enable the left sidebar if it is hidden, for example, and then you may navigate through your spaces. So in this space, for example, there are no tabs open. And if I return to this one, I will be given the opportunity to navigate through the open tabs here. So if you'd like to create a new space, click into this plus button at the bottom, select add space and customize it. Give it a name, like for instance, example space 001. Then you may assign a color theme here to make it distinguished from the other space, for example. Then you may choose an avatar below. I'm going to skip this and click into create space here. And there it is. So you will see the first letter of the space name here as the profile icon. So you may navigate between your spaces, and as you can see, the color theme is different. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.